Alright guys, it's me TP Plays. Oh wait, what? Never mind. My skin is messed up today. I tried rejoining, still messed up. No props. Alright guys, it's me TP Plays, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you a small tutorial, a small tutorial of how to breezily bridge. So first of all, this is breezily bridge. Wait, I'm gonna show it in. Actually do in breezily bridging is you just hold S, stand at the middle of the block. Wait, I'm gonna place a block on top of it so it can be more clear to see. Yeah, stand on the block and hold S and spam A and D. You don't have to spam it too fast or this will happen. Your hand will automatically start to drag really hard. I'm gonna be honest, your hand will automatically start to drag it very fast. I'm gonna show you all an example how this applies, as you all can see. And if I do it really easily, as you can see, you don't fall off the block. If you are doing like this, yeah, if you're holding a key for too long, then this will happen. Yeah, as you can see, or sometimes this will happen. Yeah, I just fell off the block. Yeah, so this is breezily bridging, and now I'm gonna show you all some tips to learn it. First of all, does breezily bridging really needs dragging, or just you can normal click do it? So yeah, first of all, breezily bridge with drag clicking is not easy, guys. Not easy. Just listen to me. It's not easy. People make videos learning to breezily bridge in 1 hour or something, or 1 day. Yeah, and some professionals are learning to breezily bridge in 10 minutes. So no, I'm gonna tell you, I learned God bridging, but I still get stuck in breezily. Why? Because movement really matters in breezily. If you hold A or any key for way too much long, then you will just fall. Bro, lag. You'll just get off the block. Yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna give some pro tips now for not falling off the block. You can practice it. Sometimes it's useful, but sometimes not. There you go. So what you're gonna do is get fence. Almost everybody suggests this, not gates. You have to get fence. So yeah, there you go. What you wanna do is place the fence in a line here, and then you are gonna just climb up on them. Yeah, and now you're gonna practice it spamming. Keep dragging and this, spam A and E. If you place a block outside while dragging, then you are going too much. And if you as you can see, I went too much here. And if you place one more on it, then you are dragging really hard. Your CPS is really high. So just chill your dragging. And yes, if your fences are placing above here this, then it means that you are dragging early. No, I mean you are dragging late. Yeah. So this applies in bridging too, as you all can see. Wait, I'm gonna show you. So yeah. So see, if I aim below the line, then I'll be able to do it. Oh wait, I fell. Never mind. Yeah, I did it perfectly. My aim was just under the block. Yeah, but if my aim is even a little bit above the line this, then this will happen. Just watch it carefully, guys. Just watch it carefully. Yeah, as you can see, I placed a block above. This happens in God Bridge, Moonwalk, Witchery, all types of bridges too. If you place a block above, it means your aim is way too much high. Like in God Bridge you need specific aims, but in Breezily it's not like that. Like it doesn't matter if you like keep your aim way too much down, it will be okay too, but you need to time your drags differently. If you keep it too much up, it will be okay too, but you need to drag like really late and really timed. Yeah, as you can see, I guess the max limit is until this this block overlay, like until here. Yeah, because after that you just can't drag. Okay, wait, I wanna aim for here. Okay, I did it one block. As you can see, you need to change your drag times completely. If you like move your aim way too much up, you need to drag really like late. Yeah, you need to drag really late, or the block will be placed like this above. So yeah, this was Breezily bridging, and Witchly bridging video will be out tomorrow. And if you need more tips, like, okay, wait, before ending this video, I'm gonna talk about some other tips of Breezily bridging. You need to drag. It's like not compulsory, but it's really easy with drag click. Jitter click and butterfly clicking are really messy. Yeah, as you can see, it's really messy if you jitter or butterfly. To be honest, I'm really bad at butterfly. Okay, I'll show you with jitter. It's really messy, guys. You will automatically like start spamming A and D way too much fast. Learn the rhythm, it's really easy. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Breezily bridging tutorial. It was really easy to breezily bridge, and if you need any more tutorials, then like any more tips and tricks, because I have like already done all of them. And talking about CPS, yes, many people ask about CPS. So if you drag, it will be really easy. Even if you drag 4 CPS, there's no problem, but you need to like at least make the friction with your mouse, so that like while your hand is moving up and down while dragging, it will be really easy to time it. Okay, I'll show you by smooth dragging. As you can see, I'm really smooth dragging. Okay, watch this. Okay, that's just not giving me any CPS. At least like you should get at least 4 to 6 CPS, and that's it. Yes, guys, as you can see, I was dragging so slow, still I was able to do it. So yeah, this is how you can breezily bridge. It was really easy peasy, and you can learn it too. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We are really close to 50 subscribers. I'm gonna do a hand cam reveal. I mean hand cam with gameplays, like with my voice, hand cam and gameplay, so it will be more understandable. I hope before we start the God bridging tutorial, which is gonna be really in depth, before we start that, we get like 50 subs, so I can drag click, so I can like hand cam explain you all how I drag click and other stuff. So yeah, that's it for today. Breezily bridging. Let's go. Bruh, never mind.